Sunday, Monday, here comes the week. Tuesday, Wednesday, let's learn and seek. Thursday, Friday, the weekend's in sight. Saturdays for fun, let's play and delight. 7 days, each one unique, dancing through the week. Sunday, slow, we start to unwind. Monday, buzz, a busy grind. Thursday, Friday, the weekend's in sight. Saturdays for fun, let's play and delight. 7 days, each one unique, dancing through the week.
Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to our channel for more awesome adventures, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a thing. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye bye.